Okay, here we have on page number 6, we have to do an activity about few, a little, and a lot. All of them are expressions that we talk about amount or quantity. A few is used when they aren't many things. When they aren't many things, you use it since you can count. For example, you have, there are a few students in the school yard, only 3. For example, you have here, there are a few students, it means hay pocos estudiantes, only 3. For example, 3 nada más. A few. In this case, we use a few with some students because student is countable now. Entonces ya sabemos que a few lo usamos para sustantivos contables, something that you can count. A little is the opposite. It's used when there isn't much, cuando no hay algo, no hay mucho de algo, ¿verdad? Puedo decir un poquito, a little, a little. You use it things that you can't count. Se usan con cosas que no podemos contar. For example, there is a little water in my bottle. There is a little water in my bottle. Here we have a little. It means just a little of something. In this case, the water. Okay. And a lot of is the opposite of a little. Es lo contrario, ¿verdad? A lot of it uses when they are many things, or there is much of things or something. You use it with things you can count and things you can't count. Este de aquí, a lot of, se usa con sustantivos contables e incontables. For example, you can say, there are a lot of spiders in the room. Hay muchas arañas en esta sala. Like 20 or more, for example. Or there is a lot of food from that table. Puedes también decir, hay mucha comida en esta mesa. There is a lot of food in that table. There are bananas, apples, sandwich, hot dog, pizza, cakes, and more. Entonces, sabemos que el a lot of lo utilizamos con ambos, ¿verdad? Esa es la diferencia de la little y la lot of. A lot of es bastante y lo utilizamos con sustantivos contables e incontables. ¿Sí? Okay, here we have an activity. We separate here the a few, a little, and a lot of. Here we have, right? Remember that we have to focus on the noun. Here we have, for example, the grass, and you have to say it's countable or uncountable noun. And according to the rules, you have to use a few or a little. Remember that a few is with countable and a little with uncountable noun. So in the first example, what is the right option, Carlos? There are a few or a little or a lot of grass. Look at the picture. Look at the picture in your book. What do you think? Remember that a few is poco, a few a little, y a lot of es bastante, ¿verdad? Okay, go. Carlos. Look at the picture and tell me what is the right option that we have to use there. There's a little water. Very good. There's a little water. Countable now. So what we have to use, a few or a little? Remember that a few is with countable noun.
A few.
It's a little. It's with which one is? We have to use a few or a little?
Few.
A few. Very good. So the answer is a few. There are few ladybugs. Hay pocas mariquitas. In this case, there are 2 ladybugs, so that's why we use few. A few ladybugs. Okay, the last one. Can you help me, please? Jamil. Frogs. Look at the frogs in your book. Do you have a book? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frogs. So what is the quantity? Is few and a lot of. There are there are a lot of frogs. Very good. There are a lot of frogs. Okay. Very good, Jamil. Thank you. Okay.
There are a lot of grass.
There is a lot of water. There is. Okay. Number 2. Okay. Who want to help me with number 2? Maybe Alicia. Number 2. Butterflies. Butterflies. Look, is singular or plural? Butterflies. There is or there are? Very good.
Butterflies.
There are butterflies. A few butterflies.
Miss, ¿puedo ir al baño?
Okay, go. Show me your book. If you have a question, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate to ask question if you don't understand something. On page number 6, we finished. Everyone finished? Sebastian, you finished. Amelia, you finished. Okay, Crystal, finished. Very good. Okay.
I finished, Miss.
Excellent job. Excellent. Another. Very good. Excellent job. Okay, very good. Excellent, Camila. Thank you. Here. Okay, excellent job.